I make an extra $1,200, $1,500 every month outside my 9 to 5, and I don't have a fancy degree, a massive following, or 10 hours of free time a day. I'm Gabriel, and in this video, I'm showing you exactly how I do it, with real tools, real numbers, and no fluff. It all started when I realized my job alone wouldn't cut it. Bills, inflation, and trying to save, something had to give. So I made a rule. Every dollar I earned from side income would go toward financial freedom, debt, savings, and investments. And to make that work, I had to find side hustles that were flexible, fast to start, and required zero startup capital. The first one, freelancing on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. I offered basic services, copywriting, social media captions, and resume edits. I started charging $20, then scaled up to $75+ as I got reviews. I wasn't an expert, I just delivered consistently. And tools like ChatGPT helped me write faster and better. So I leaned into low-effort digital products. I use Canva, free version, to create budget planners, goal trackers, and simple ebooks. I listed them on Etsy and Payhip. The secret? Solving tiny problems in a beautiful, useful way. One product made $11 on day one. Not much, but it proved the idea worked. Then came AI tools. I started using ChatGPT and Claude to brainstorm product ideas, draft outlines, and even write product descriptions. I wasn't cheating. I was speeding up the boring parts. One week, I launched 2 digital downloads in 2 evenings after work, but not everything worked. I tried print on demand. It flopped. I spent hours designing t-shirts with 0 sales. But here's what I learned. Quick wins come from things you're already using or already good at. I was already organizing in Notion, already writing on weekends. That's where the money came from, not starting from scratch. By month 3, my average was $1,278 in side income. So if you're watching this thinking, I don't have time or I'm not skilled enough, I get it. I said the same thing. But here's what changed everything. I stopped looking for the perfect idea and started testing small ones. One service, one template, one post, that's it. And I used tools like Notion AI, Canva, and ChatGPT to move faster without burning out. Now I've built a mini ecosystem. My freelance work funds my digital products. My templates promote my services, and my audience, tiny but engaged, asks for more of what I already love creating. It's not passive income yet, but it's predictable income, and it stacks. You don't need to go viral. You don't need to quit your job. You need a repeatable system that fits your life. Start by asking, what do I already use or know that others might pay for? Then build one offer, not 10. One. That's how I started. That's how I scaled. And that's how you can too. Subscribe if you want more step-by-step breakdowns, side hustle ideas.